Welcome to this tutorial on how to purchase LI.FI bridge cover on Jumper Exchange. To access the website, go to the InsureAce homepage and click on the pop-up window. Then click on Bridge and Swap Now to be directed to Jumper Exchange. Next, connect your wallet and select the token and chain you want to swap from, as well as the token and chain you want to swap to. Type in the amount of tokens you want to swap and choose your preferred bridge. On the summary page, opt in for InsureAce bridge coverage, and the cost will be deducted automatically. Finally, click Start Swap and wait for the swap to finish. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy your coffee with the peace of mind that your bridge swap is 100% safe and secure with InsureAce.